high speed ng Petrogas rather. So a lot of unforced errors from their side, but a good hit there from Myla Pablo, targeting cross court. Take a look at that again.
And that's spike of the set. Good minutes and good court time here for Petrogas. The last couple of games, nabanggit natin. 15 points. Lead back to 2 for PLDT. Myla Pablo off the hands. Easy point for Typhoon Pablo.
Sa scoring department ni Myla Pablo, sa halos lahat na sineset sa kanya, Jonah will play as a opposite hitter for Petrogas.
This is a broken play. It's going to be a freebie. Rainbow. Cheng to Pablo.
Oh,
And Kat Arado got her hand on it, pero hindi na nasundan.
but no follow-up there for the rest of the PLDT squad.
Good receive. And Pablo.
Oh,
Slow but very smart.
yeah. Pablo. Para doon nakita mo yung PLDT nagsisigawan na short ball, pero
Good first ball from Ceballos.
no, good defense.
Yes. Arado with a save. Santos blocked, and she tries to kick the ball back up. Couldn't do it. And that's another point for the Angels. That block of the set. Brought to you by East Petrogas. As a team, they're doing much better in the second set. They lost the first one 12-25. For those of you who didn't get that. Santos sending it over. Sabete, Dacoron there. Sending the ball over to another chance for Petrogas to set up. Great anticipation by Kat Arado. Pansico with a save. We have a rally. Pablo, soft one. Yung mga off-speed ni Pablo, yun ang deadly ngayon.
Oo, kasi hindi mo alam kung yung approach niya eh. Akala mo papaluin ng malakas, but take a look at that.
With the help of the net, Del Palomata saving the day for PLDT. That ball back with the Angels. Pablo, down the line, inside.
Yeah. Yola Ceballos, paano mo dedepensahan nyo? Kasi usually, tatapatan mo yung katawan nung attacker, but ang layo na yun. Or pinakita mo na ni Cheng na magbablock siya, tapos bigla niyang binaba yung kamay niya. Kaya naman, walang touch.
Nice pickup by Van Sickle. Ball back to Petrogas. Pablo will go up, and she is looking for that corner. She finds it. Zone 1 empty. Pablo will score point number 11 so far.
Yeah, again, facing cross court, tapos papaluin niya ng down the line. Parang naka-side view na lang siya sa down the line. Kaya naman hindi...
They just look for the open man, the open winger. And that's outside. Easy point for Pablo, hitting it off the hands. She has 12.
3 points na lang ang inaalagaan nila for this set so far.
Pablo will go up. That one picked up by Savvy, and Ceballos again. Blocked. Baron is in the front. Great pickup by Barbon. Pablo.
Oh,
Pablo talaga, no? She has been so steady, so consistent.
para hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng miscommunication or no communication at all ng yung teammates.
Ooh. Barbon with a good first ball. Pablo dug. Chance here for Saed to set up Pablo one more time, and she gets the point.
Nang set kay Myla Pablo from Petrogas.
Good first ball by Morente. Myla Pablo did not waste that.
Again, PLDT.
And clearly a connection.
Madami nga. Parang puro basic lang.
Oo.
Open or quick hit or opposite. But
Ooh.
sometimes hindi mo na kailangan mag-combination.
Yeah.
At tapos pag effective naman yung mga simple play.
Tama. If it ain't broke. Ayun na yung back row ni Myla Pablo. And that was a good decision for Janelle Cheng to look for Pablo from him. And hinigitan na ni Myla Pablo yung kanyang best output of 15 points against Akari last game.
Good serve.
And Pablo trying to tip the ball over. Davison with a soft one. Van Sickle playing defense. Pablo again. And it's that side swipe na naman kanyang crossbody na ang hirap basahin.
Garon. But the point there for
And 17 big points for Myla Pablo. It's over! Making 18 points. She is now the top scorer for Petrogas.
overball. Spike na lang niya for a quick point for their squad.
Perfect first ball. Pablo, will she do it? She does. And a fitting finish for Myla Pablo with a conference high to finish off this match. And
Conference they reinforced where half of their squad was sick, remember?
Yeah.
In the early part of that conference, which really affected their team standings and their play towards the end.
But so far in this conference, ang ganda ng pinapakita ng Petrogas Angels. Medyo nag-init na sila inside the court. Tuloy-tuloy na silang magandang laro pinapakita.
And individually, magandang pinapalaro. But she's looking good this conference.
Yeah, so far.
And they continue to go to her.
Oh.
That's why. It's to her, it's about one, health and two, confidence. Minsan nakikita mo rin sa kanya pagka parang nasistress siya eh.
Yeah, pero medyo relax lang siya maglaro.
Ngayon.
Hindi natin siya madalas nakikita mag-smile.
Yes.
But nakikita natin sa laro niya na lalo na talagang nakakaputol siya ng momentum ng kalaban.
What a dig there by Chang off a 1-2 play. Gel. The push and a chance to counter again. They go back to Myla. Shoot set. Gel opens up to Gandler. Dacron sweeping. Myla again. She gets it again.
Yep.
7-6. They take over the lead.
Na ganyan, na nakaharap siya sa cross-court but targeting niya yung down the line. Pag may nakita lang siya na gap na doon kahit gano'ng kaliit or gano'ng kaliit.
Barbon is back. Pablo humiga.
Ang ganda ng approach ni Rep at a low and fast set to Myla Pablo, leaving only one blocker in front of her. Knowing Myla Pablo, didiin na niya yun sa cross-court.
At kung maganda, kung makahabol ka. Pero kung hindi man, mailaban mo pa rin, ano?
As long as they won't stop.
Gandler goes long. Isa with a tip. Don was there for coverage again. Cess off speed.
Good read by Pontillas.
Good footy. Sent back by Gandler. Pablo again. And that will go in. Oh, what a sequence. Everything clicking. Even the feet. Another one which was confusing, I think, there for Signal. What an angle by Myla Pablo.
Pero hindi natin masyadong nakikita na binibigyan niya yung kanyang front row dahil nagko-combination play siya but binabato niya sa back row kay Vanny. Angels there on who will get that first ball.
Brooke with the first ball. Perfect first ball. And a very forceful dunk ball by Myla Pablo for her 11th point of the match. 0.6.
And wala pa tayo sa kalagitnaan ng second set.
4 serving 3. Chance ball. It's a good sell by Riri. Cheng opens to Pablo.
Oh, good chase but not good enough for Judith Abil.
Vanny in the middle.
What a save!
Piatura with the left hand. And Pablo scores!
Down the line angle on the hit by Myla Pablo.
Look at that. Keeping it in play. Pablo full approach. Crossbody swing.
Yeah.